Hey. Oops. Yo, what's going on YouTube? Thank you guys so much once again for tuning into my channel. In this video today, I got these white cement 3s. I just filmed the intro for these. That's why I'm still wearing this Wrong Side shirt. Who listens to the Wrong Side? Anyone in the comment section down below. If you listen to the Wrong Side, one of the best Boston hardcore bands in the last 20 years. Wow, I'm saying that, in the last 20 years. Anyways, yeah, we got these white cement 3s. I'm super depressed now because I'm 31 years old and like I was saying, white cement 3 is gonna be giving them a restoration project here. Gonna be repainting the midsole. Midsole paint is just falling apart. I can start picking it apart with my actual fingernail. Like, honestly, it's the easiest type of midsole to strip when you can literally just start doing things like this. Oh, come on, literally, like that's all I need to do is just like rub it, to be honest with you. I'm not gonna rub the shoe, that's weird. Anyways, back to what needs to get done. Shoe needs a very, very deep clean. Shoe needs a midsole repaint. Gonna have to touch up that back tab. I'm not gonna paint it white, but I am gonna repaint the Air logo and the Jordan logo. Bottoms are filthy as well, absolutely filthy on the other shoe too, and I am going to do my best to get these as clean as possible. So yeah. With that being said, I'm doing both of these at the same time. You guys wouldn't know that because YouTube is just easy to, you know, hide that kind of stuff. But I'm doing both at the same time. And yeah, that's kind of, what is that? All this paint everywhere, just get off the table. And then these are gonna be happening as well soon. These Bo Jacksons. Gonna put that back because that's not the best one, but you can see right here, the midsole paint is cracking. I already got a color match down. And you know what? I actually got a package. Let's open this. Let's open this right now. Got this package right here. This is just a Sneaker Laundry address. I don't need to hide that because I want you guys to know where the Sneaker Laundry is. And we're gonna just go straight into it. What is going on here? Ooh, ooh, what a beautiful shoe. Wow, man, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Air Max 97 with the elephant print on the upper. Oh, gorgeous. I'm not gonna do an extensive review. I'm just gonna show you guys what I'm gonna be restoring as well. There we go. This is my friend Josh's pair, and they need to be reglued. They definitely need to get reglued here, and there, and there, and there, and everywhere pretty much. Anyways, gonna shelve these, bang, and we're gonna get into this restoration. Let's go. on this video on these white cement 3s. Came out pretty good, if I do say so myself. Nice straight lines. And right now, I am still working on these. The back tab all stripped off, gonna repaint that. This, you know, deoxidize the toe cap. And you know what? These, I can't believe that these are, like, it's what, 7 years old now? They came out in 2011 too. Yeah, 7 years old. Feels like yesterday that they just released. It's absolutely blowing my mind that time is going as fast as it is. And yeah, what else am I working on? I'm repainting these, but I have not done a video on them just because I need to get these done as soon as possible. What else? Like I said, got these fire red 3s. I think that the back tab looks so much better just completely white. It's just, I don't know, this looks cleaner in my opinion. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section down below. And yeah, still very happy with how these turned out. And I just love the Air Jordan 3. I really, really love the Air Jordan 3. Another thing is that a customer wants these deoxidized. If you guys want to see a video on that, let me know in the comment section down below. I'll get started on it as soon as possible because either way, I've got to get started on that deoxidizing as soon as possible. So with all that being said, let me know what video you want to see next in the comment section down below. I've got a cleaning filthy sneakers video coming up on a pair of Gucci Aces, so that will probably come at some point this week. And that's really gonna wrap it up for this video. Thank you guys so much once again for tuning into my channel. Make sure you subscribe if you have not already. Make sure you smash that like button and leave a comment in the comment section down below. And I'll catch you next time. Peace.